there was a lot of talk prior to these last 18 months or so that Bitcoin, it was an inflation hedge. Doesn't look like it's turned out to be that way.
It's an inflation hedge over 5 years or over 10 years. It's up 100% a year on average for a decade. It's up 45% on average every year for 5 years. It's outperformed the NASDAQ, S&P, gold,
Is it appropriate to set those sorts of metrics when this has only existed since around 2009? I mean, it's a very short sample size.
You could debate the 10-year number, but 4 or 5 years is a reasonable time frame for even this asset. I think the more important point is, in the last 12 months, bonds are a loser, precious metals are a loser, every equity is a loser. There really is no winner over 12 months. And the thing that's causing the gyration in the financial asset space is the 1-year Treasury bond went from 280 basis points to 70 basis points over 18 months from November 2018 till March of 2020. The Fed let that 1-year number sit at 12 basis points, float down to 7 basis points until 12 months ago, and they cranked the 1 year from 7 basis points to 407 basis points in the last 12 months. That's put every financial asset on a roller coaster. If you're a trader, I had no trading advice for you. I'm not a trader. I would say, if you're interested in Bitcoin, you take the money you want to hold for the next decade, and you divide that between a property portfolio. You're either buying a block in Manhattan, or you're buying scarce art for a decade, or you're buying a Bitcoin for the next decade. It's a long-term property strategy. It's not a short-term trading strategy. I have no advice with regard to the next 12 months. I can't tell you what's going to happen at 2:05 today, to tell you the truth.